In an update to the ongoing investigation, it has been revealed that not all the hair strands recovered from the red CRV are owned by beauty queen Catherine Camilon. According to the PNP Public Information Office, Acting Chief Police Colonel Jean Fajardo, some of the hair strands do not belong to Camilon as they failed to match the DNA sample of her parents.
Hihintayin po natin, ma'am, yung development po regarding ilan lang doon sa hair strands ang nagmatch po doon sa DNA profile po ng magulang ni Catherine. Yung iba po doon ay hindi po nagmatch at ibig sabihin po ay meron pong nagmamay-ari ng iba o na doon sa mga buhok po na na-recover po doon sa loob ng CRV na red po. Doon po sa ibang hair strands po ay yun po, babae po yun po yung nagmatch po doon sa DNA profile po ng magulang po ni Catherine. At doon naman po sa ibang hair strands, ma'am, ay antayin po natin, ma'am, yung ilalabas po na result po ng crime lab, ay ng forensic group, ay rather I should say forensic group, dahil we don't want to preempt, ma'am, itong ilalabas po ng mga iba pa pong additional object evidence po, at makikita po natin yan, ma'am, sa official result po kung ito po ba ay nagpi-fit po sa DNA po ng babae o lalaki po.
In connection to this, the forensic group is currently investigating to determine if these hair strands belong to the suspects. Police Colonel Fajardo mentioned that DNA samples from the suspects have not yet been obtained for comparison with the hair strands that did not match Catherine's parents.
Hihintayin po natin, ma'am, yung development po regarding that. Kung during the preliminary investigation ay po pwede na po tayong mag-request po ng DNA specimen po doon sa mga posibleng tao na may kinalaman po dito sa kaso po na ito, o kailangan po nating dumating doon sa estado na maisampa na po natin yung information para makapag-file po tayo ng corresponding petition allowing the PNP po to get the possible DNA sample from the suspects.